Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you a simple sausage recipe for breakfast that requires minimal ingredients. But before I do that, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you are a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you very much. Now let's get cooking. So for this recipe, these are the ingredients. You will need milk, 1 egg, 3 sausages, and a 1/4 cup of flour. So the first step is to half cook the sausages, and this is how you will do it. Once your sausages are ready, put them aside and make the sausage coating. So you'll add a cup of milk to your mixing bowl. Then add salt. Add some mixed herbs. Add fresh rosemary leaves as well. Add garlic powder. Add sugar. Add an egg as well. Mix it up. Add flour to the mixture. Then lastly, add coriander leaves to the mixture. Once you are done making the mixture, get your half-cooked sausages and dip it in. Get the coated sausage and dip it in a pan of hot cooking oil. And there you have it, your snack is ready for consumption. Well, that's all I had for you today. Now, please remember to subscribe to my channel to get instant notifications whenever I upload videos of different simple recipes that you can try out at home. If you have already subscribed to this channel, I just want to say thank you very much. And if you haven't, I want to say thank you in advance. That's all I had for today. Until next time, bye.